Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let us give thanks to Allah whose grace we can gather today on Sunday, 26th of January 2024 in good health and with the same intentions and goals. Second, salawat and greeting are poured on the great Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Allahumma salli wa sallim wa barik alaih. It's a pleasure to have the opportunity to speak before you today. Alright, today I'm going to present a topic of Islamic logotherapy to improve self-acceptance in school dropouts. Okay, have you ever wondered why mental health discussions are trending among Gen Z? Therefore, to answer it all, let's look at our team. So, let me introduce myself. My name is Uswatun Hasana. I'm from University of UIN Raden Patah, as well as Fatima Azahra and Varian Faisal next to me. Both are from University of Raden Patah too. And our team, we have collaborated with Sabrina Putri Maisa from Istanbul University, so Najwa Ryan from University of UIN Syarif Hidayatullah, so Melia Nur Aziza from University of Darussalam Gontor, Amalia Khairunisa from Islamic University Islamabad, Pakistan, Asma Husna Khadijah from Al-Azhar University of Egypt. Alright, the first presentations by our sister Najwa Ryan Fitria from University of UIN Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta. For sister Najwa Ryan Fitria, time is yours.
Therapy is a psychotherapy that aims to improve self-esteem through the discovery and realization of meaning. Logotherapy theory emphasizes an optimistic attitude in living life and teach that there is no suffering and negative aspects that cannot be changed into something positive, because humans have the capacity to do so and are able to take the right attitude towards what they are experiencing. So next, self-acceptance. State that self-acceptance is the ability to accept everything in oneself, both weaknesses and strengths, so that when unpleasant events occur, a person can remain logical and able to think objectively about the good and bad problems that arise without causing emotions, hostility, feelings of inferiority, shame, and anxiety.
Okay, we're going to the next presentations to our sister Fatima Al-Zahra from University of UIN Raden Patah. Time is yours.
Technique. The sampling technique in this study as purposive sampling. The selected simple criteria are: the subject is domiciled in Palembang city area, the subject has experienced school dropout that has lasted 5 years or more. Population sample. The population as adolescents in Palembang city. The criteria of the sample were adolescents who dropped out of school. The sample amounted to 1 ml with the initial instrument. The Islamic logotherapy intervention was carried out in a span of 7 days. Subject out their potential, shortcoming, hopes, and how to realize their hopes in a poster that has been profit and will be affects the wall of the room. Frequency of meeting between sessions is 1 time a week. In each session, the subject follows the direction and guidance of the therapist in the form of speaking me and my special characteristic. video interpretation, self-understanding, and player interpretation. After 7 days and research conduct and evaluation, namely saying whether or not there was an increase in my self-expansions.
Okay, thanks to Fatima Azahra for the presentations. For the search presentations from Varian Faisal, time is yours.
Thank you. Thank you for moderator. Let me explain about results. After doing logotherapy Islamic counseling, there are some fundamental changes that have been expressed by the subject. The results of logotherapy are number one, indirectly the subject recognizes himself more with the ice-breaking game, me and my special characteristic. The subject can capture and apply the spirit possessed by the cast of the short video. Dropping out of school is an obstacle to achieving dreams by Christina in real life. Third, the subject is more familiar with the potential and shortcomings that he has and how to increase his potential and cover his shortcomings to realize success in the future. Fourth, the subject can accept what happened in his past and forgive those who have hurt him in the past and pray for them to be judged. Discussion. With the ice breaking, me and my special characteristic, the subject has a self-perception of the characteristic he has. Adolescents who have positive self-perception tend to be able to identify and express attitudes and emotions that exist within themselves. In addition, adolescents with positive self-perception then tend to be more confident and understand their abilities and weaknesses. After the therapy session, the subject has a new outlook on how to realize better feature. According to schools 1991 in his book reveals that people will accept themselves will accept their weakness and strength without compliance or distress. At the end of the therapy session, the subject was able to forgive the mistake of those who had hurt him. Thank you. Back to moderator.
Okay, thanks from Varian Faisal. Next, okay, for the next presentations to our sister Sabrina Maisa from Istanbul University. Time is yours.
Conclusion. After the application of Islamic logotherapy, the result of the therapy carried out are first, the subject is more accepting of himself and recognize his potential and shortcoming. This is realized in the writing on the poster that has been provided. Second, the subject become more aware of the importance of the future after watching the video provided. The subject becomes motivated and has the enthusiasm to achieve the same success. The third, the subject has a new view of how to realize a good future. This emerged after the subject watched the video. He felt that the view he believed so far had to be changed and he had to be more active in working and realizing his goals. And the last, the subject is able to accept the past and forgive people who have hurt him. He also prayed for those people to the guidance.
To the end of the presentation. Thanks for all our presentation coming today. Every journey begins with the first step, and today we have second step together. Thank you for your dedication, cooperation. See you on the next journey. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.